Okay, hello everybody. Today I'm playing Here's to Fathom Episode 1. Um, Essentially, I think it's just, which is episodic horror, so it pretty much means that it's a separate story, and that the sequels have nothing to do with it. So it's like just a short horror story, and I think I can guess what happens in it based on the title. I'm assuming I'm home alone. It's a Christmas miracle, I don't know, I'm not Kevin McAllister. Let's just get into it. I didn't want to put this up on Reddit just for it to be called a piece of fiction. I don't even know where to start. Excuse my lack of good storytelling skills. I guess I'll just start. It was in the middle of the summer. My parents had left for that weekend due to a work trip, which meant I was all by myself for the weekend. Also, I feel like I do have to mention that my sleep schedule was really messed up around this time. I would sleep and get up at just about any time of the day. Though I did plan on fixing that. Don't we all? Woke up at around 8 after a nap that evening. Nice desk. We've got little drawers. It's like a really nice house. We've got a diary. I did have homework that night, but I was too hungry to do it right after waking up. These sound effects. Okay. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Can't turn off the light. I can't even turn the lights on. Okay, mother. Let's see what you gotta say. I'm gonna go straight from the top. Oh, we got Mason Oliver. Wait, when are you guys gonna be back? Dad and I are gonna be back on Monday, honey. Didn't I tell you that yesterday? Cool. Take care, honey. Sleep on time. I hope you get the Xbox like you promised. I mean, if you get that discount, can I invite Mason and Josh over for the night for homework? Of course you can. Call me if you need anything. Make sure to check it's them on the door before opening it. Check through the blinds. Take care, honey. Sure thing, Mom. Dad and I may be back by Sunday evening. Why are you being so paranoid, Mom? I'm 14. I think I'm gonna take a little nap. Probably gonna order some pizza, yes. No need to order anything. Already made you lasagna this morning. Check the fridge. Why on caps lock? Oh no. Okay, now that we've made our message a little bit more polite, I send that. I'll take that as a massive fucking no. I don't want to check the fridge for sure. Okay, mommy. Oh, still caps lock. Okay, mom. Mom, I have to be American. I'm gonna assume I did, to be fair. Oh, there's no sprinting. Well, that's probably for the best. Unless it gets activated later on and I'm getting chased by some guy. Don't ask me why, but I went straight to my parents. Please don't ask me why. Yeah, I'm not going downstairs, because there's some creepy shit going on down there. Is there an earthquake going on? It's a stranger. Stranger danger. I can crouch, that is not good. Can I go in the fight? Okay, never mind. This shit is creepy, though. This background, like, it's realistic. Is it meant to be what time is it? I should probably check the clock. I'm not going back up. It's fine. It's not really going to affect the story, is it? I've got to be alive. Clearly I'm alive. I mean, I'm telling a story. This is the best water graphics I've ever seen. I'm gonna get some secret ending, the kidnapped ending. Dead straight away because I went outside instead of just going. Why is there a car here if I'm home alone? I'm asking the big question. Why was I always told don't open the door unless you know it's your friends, and I'm outside. I can't leave the property. Well, to be fair, I'd argue that is all my property. Oh, in my face. I needed to warm the food up. But we don't have food to warm up. Well, we have lasagna. Apparently. Don't have dishes to wash. I wouldn't listen to it. There's plenty of food. We got microwavable food. Is that? That might be mincemeat. Oh, for fuck's sake. If I show Bryce this video, he's gonna actually piss himself. I've never heard of a Maxibon. I don't know what Maxibons are. Maxicone. I guess they can't have actual products. We're gonna leave the fridge open. Can't be asked. Food is cold. Yes, it is. Yeah, we can do that. We need to warm the food up. Yeah, we can do it. But... There we go. I have no clue what I'm doing. Where the fuck? I'm actually gonna sit for an hour trying to figure out how to. Maybe I open the oven. Oh. Okay. This is typically what we do in real life. Okay. This is going great. Wonder what that means. Maybe it's done. Food was nice and hot. I liked watching TV while I... We're not gonna fucking watch TV while you eat. Because that's banned. We eat like a family. We eat the fucking... We eat like a family. Yeah, I guess I've got to go to the TV because fucking 14-year-old little can't make his mind up. I don't know why I'm like this. Okay, here we go. It's not on, is it? The TV's not on, is it? I've got to go over there, turn the TV on, and then eat my fucking food out. Is that the Renegade Raider? Who's that? I'm gonna get a knock on now. Dummies. That looks like Lesh's cabin from Inscription. I don't want to listen to this guy eat. Why are you eating those big chunks? How have you eaten an entire, like, this is meant to serve, like, multiple people, like. Are you ready for this? I just woke up! Oh no, this story isn't real. Guess that's a problem for another day. I don't actually like to finish stories. Oh, let's look at that. How do I... Oh, here we go. Yo. Yo! Coming to Jessica's tomorrow? Yeah, Josh is coming too. What about you? I don't know. What's wrong? When are you gonna see her yesterday? She didn't show up. It's like I don't even matter to her. You matter? Wait. You matter. I guess you multiply yourself by the speed of light squared than your energy. Oh, he's a fucking nerd. I guess some energy then. How's Chan? Yeah, crap. Totally forgot. Probably gonna do something tonight. We're probably gonna do tonight. Well, same. My parents are out for the night. Wanna come over? We can play Mario Kart too. I'll let you know. Okay. Call Josh too. I can't promise, dude. We have plans with Nat. We're gonna have to call it off, man. Something just came up. But you gotta come to Jessica's tomorrow. Why? Question mark. Can I not send messages? Oh, for fuck's sake. Thank you, Mason Oliver, for not responding to my text that I totally sent. I'm gonna go to bed. Oh, so it's 8 PM. So we woke up. Maybe I don't know. Oh, my name is Miles. Sorry, Miles. I'm sorry, Miles. Gotta see you tomorrow. Don't forget Chem though. Chill out, dude. All good. I'm probably go back to bed after Chem. Maybe it's Chem. I don't know what they're on about. Oh no. Oh, that's what I said. Because that's totally not what I typed out. Wait, let me go with that. I didn't type that out. What is chem? Oh, chem homework. Like homework. Oh, like, is it, I'm assuming it's chemistry homework. Why do I give a shit? 14. See if I'll actually do it this time. 12:30. Well, we did that for 4 hours. Well, I got homework today in about a few hours. Oh, fuck that. I'm going to bed. I'm not bothered. Can I close the door? Can I turn off the light? No, I can't. Hello, mother. Let's see what you want. Don't stay up too late, you kids. I shouldn't get to hear from Mrs. Paula this time. Well, I think you find my friends are major a-holes and didn't want to come over. Maybe if you brought the Xbox like you promised, I wouldn't be in this shit, Mom. To vent out some frustration there. Bitch, though, I'm going to bed. Don't stay up. Don't stay up. If I hear a knock at the door, get some water. What is that noise? What is that noise? I don't want to go. This is why I've got a water bottle. I'm actually terrified. Oh, I need to go kitchen though. That's where the water is. I'm gonna cry already. Oh, don't tell me to cry. Oh, isn't there multiple endings too? Oh, why do I actually? Nah. What the fuck? Why did the music stop? Oh, I'm not doing this. I don't want to do this. Where the fuck do I get water? Where do I get water from? Oh, there we go. Oh god. Have you got enough water for you? Can you stay in your fucking room? Because you know how much effort is going downstairs. I'm actually taking your bottle with me. I'm drinking a sulfate for hydration. I don't want to hear a thing about fucking I'm hungry by the way. That fucking devoured that lasagna. Like, I'd get it if, you know, you didn't fucking, like, engulf that shit. Is there infinite water in there? How much are we able to drink? That's what a 14-year-old sounds like. I'm gonna go right up to the bed, there's gonna be a knocking on the door, and I'm actually gonna cry. I'm gonna have to go all the way back down, I swear to God. Miles, who's at the door? You there? Fuck. Yep, nope. Oh my God. That was a close call. Could you imagine if they actually caught me? I don't know what I'm hiding. There's nothing to hide from yet. I think being able to hide is a generally bad sign in any game. But, fuck it. Just in case I need the water while I'm hiding. I don't get, what do I do? I'm going to go downstairs. You didn't exactly give me instructions. Fucking better be Mason. Probably shouldn't be calling him Mason. But to be fair, he's got two first names. He's not a fucking... I've got to go all the way back down. You're joking. Can I not go up here? And just look down? Because no one's falling off of that. Let's be honest. If you fall off of that, you've actually got issues. Oh my fucking God. I don't want to go down. I'm using the ambience in this house. I think what I'll do is I'll leave that door open. I'll go parents' room instead. All they sent me says he's been creeping through the windows, recalling the house. He takes luck in every corner. The doors aren't locked. Fucking whistling. Is he fucking whistling? You know, because you know he's not going to have fucking trouble going up the stairs like I am. Why am I having troubles going up the stairs? What's my issue? Oh, you know, I don't think I even should have gone up, to be honest. Can I hide under here? Oh no, they got one of those special beds, so I don't have other needs for them. Fuck. I'm probably gonna have to go down anyway. We're calling the cops. Can you please send them down? If I walk outside and I just see him out there, I'm actually gonna cry. And I shouldn't say stuff like that. Let me just double check. Why am I checking this? Don't answer the door no matter what he does. You can block every door and hide in your room. Hide in my room. Those are the instructions I was given. Fuck, how do I lock? I lock the door. Oh! Do what she said. Just do what she said. It just... No, we stay down there. We stay there. No. She pulled out the door. Okay, I'll go. But I heard the window break. Mom, so sorry, honey. Everything's gonna be alright. What? Do you hear her? She pulled out the door. Mom says sorry, honey. Oh, fuck. Wait, give me a second. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Fucking. Oh my god, I'm actually terrified. It's out a window shutter. What the fuck was that? Oh fuck. Oh! No, 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 no. What the fuck is going on over there? Oh, no, we're going back. We're going back. No, 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 because you don't understand. I just shit myself. I've never screamed at that high pitch before. Yeah, it's for the best. Just get in. Just get in, just come in. I'm not. Come on! They got him! They got him! They got him! Guys! Help me! Oh my god! The game just closed itself. Okay, I'll end the video there. I might actually. I'll go back and I'll replay it, see what happens if I just go straight down. So I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh god, okay. I'm sure. I don't even know if I have to read the messages, but yeah. Just turn on. Gotta eat again. Fuck you. What am I gonna fucking throw? What could I possibly throw? When we see the person who's downstairs, apparently, according to our mummy, we are gonna go back and we're gonna look out the window, see what there is, because we never actually saw the monster. Part of the reason. Oh, I'm not doing the homework. I'm sure as fuck not doing the homework. To be fair, everyone thinks that, but I'm just trying to speed run. I'm not doing that. Dick. I was feeling sleepy after food. Let's go do some homework. Oh, we did the homework. Yippee. Okay, Cammy is going to. He wants me to join. Cammy, you don't understand. Earlier, I was playing this game and I screamed like a little girl.
Okay, wait, let me pause Squid Game. The
Here we go.
shit poonie. I'm excited.
I would be too.
I don't think I played this one.
Okay, I've already played it once. I'm just trying to see what the other ending is like. So basically, it's nighttime, and I've eaten a whole lasagna to myself, and it was like a really big serving size. And I've got to drink some water. I don't know if that's enough water or not, so I'm just gonna go back upstairs. Don't ask me why I'm spazzing out on the stairs, by the way.
Yeah, what the fuck are you doing?
I have no clue why I'm struggling to go upstairs, but it's just a thing, I guess. No, because I was walking right here, and there was like an arm coming out from this room, and it was like, it scared me, so I ran back to my room and I hid under the bed until the police came. And
I'll
I
take
won.
that as that was an.
What?
I'll take that as an ending then.
Oh, yeah.
Is it a nude? Oh.
Who's that at the door? You there? I'm gonna go there, because I didn't go there last time. Last time I hid. And when I hid, I heard a window shatter.
Oh.
So I
Great.
kept hiding. And then it said that there was someone at the door that I needed to go see, but I kept hiding anyways. I came down here to trigger this. Paula sent me. Said you can creep in through the windows. What the fuck? I didn't even see this last time. Don't answer the door. I didn't answer the door last time.
I would assume if you want to, you die.
I'm actually terrified, but I'm clicking the button. It's not doing shit.
Maybe
Here's
it's
what
not
we do.
actually.
We're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna shit ourselves while going up the stairs. Okay, here we go. And we're gonna wait for the window to break, and we're gonna wait for the trigger that says that there's someone. We're gonna wait for it to say that there's someone outside waiting for us, and we're gonna go there because that's what I did last time. And I shit you not, I screamed.
Bitch, I get.
A really high pitched scream.
It was like a little bitch.
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah, that happened last time, and I was sat under the bed and I was thinking, oh. I think I literally went, oh, fine. Okay, Paul is here.
Did he ring the doorbell after breaking in?
I thought that, but no, it's Paula, the bitch that's here to pick me up.
Oh.
Don't answer the door no matter what he does. No, but then I ran out of my room. I had to go onto the door, and it's Paula at the door, you see? Oh, fuck, I don't want to do this, but you know what? I've got to do it. I'm going to move my phone away. Oh, for fuck's sake. Look, you don't understand. I walked over here. That shit.
I was so scared you got the mouse! You shook the fucking mouse! You shook the fucking mouse! God, that's fucking hilarious!
That's the alternate ending, I guess.
Motherfucker shook his mouse and shut the stream so fast!
Did that pick up on the mic? Did my screen pick up on the mic?
Your scream didn't pick up on the mic. It just kind of went silent. It was, and
I
your
really,
fucking your
I
mouse
really hope it did. You telling me I screamed for no reason?
did not pick up.
Didn't pick up. You telling me I screamed like a little girl for no? I didn't. It was a manly scream.
I watched the fucking mouse shake and everything.
I think I broke a sound barrier. That's why I didn't pick up. The other ones I have to pay for. I have to pay for them eventually. Let me. Okay, Cammy, can you do an outro?
Oh, I really, really, really want to touch my pickle right now.
Good job.